Hey there, Jose Hugo Martinez with the Views Real Estate Group. I'm here behind my new listing over in Bradenton. We're inside a community called Villages of Lakeside South, or they call it Lakeside South. Now you're probably thinking community HOA fees. The HOAs are only $120 a month, and that includes, behind me is the pool. So there's a pool, there's tennis courts, there's a clubhouse where they throw a lot of events for the people in the community. And the best part, or my favorite part, is that the lawn care is included in the HOA fee. So if you're looking for a maintenance free, you don't like to mow the lawn, this is the place for you. And I'm going to show you the house, and as I'm showing, I want you to think of what you would pay for this property. So let's take a look. So here we go. We have the entrance to the property. The address is 3714 40th Avenue West, inside Lakeside South. And then we'll start here. So I'm taking a left, and we've got the first bathroom. Then we have a little closet area, and then the bedroom. It's pink. It's got a direct view to the front of the house. Nice little closet. Then we'll continue over here. We've got the kitchen. Appliances are included in the price. Little dining area. This is under air. This could be turned into a third bedroom. It could be turned into an office, a game room, whatever works for you. Behind me is the garage. This is a 2-car garage. Loads of space. You've got shelves. You've got washer and dryer that are included in the price. Back into the office area, and then the living area, which leads outside. I'm going to show you the master bedroom. It's got a walk-in closet, good sized walk-in closet. Bedroom with the nice view of the garden. Just really cool stuff. And then we have the master bathroom, which is cool. My favorite part is you can close this, and now you've got everything in the same room. 2 sinks, toilet, shower. This looks awesome. Let's go back out. I'm gonna show you the front of the house. Alright, so we've seen the inside of the house. We've seen the garage. It's just to recap, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, almost 1,300 square feet, and the price we're asking is $190. So for a single-family home in Bradenton, $190. This shape, good condition, good location. I think it's a good deal. And then here is the patio. And as you can see, they just cut the grass, which again is included in your HOA fee of $120 a month. Just a great deal, great community, great people. And it's just, you know, imagine yourself sitting on this little bench reading a book. Maybe it's the morning, you're having coffee, and you're just listening to the birds sing and just enjoying life. So if you're in the area and you want to see this property, contact me. My phone number is 941-373-5570. Views Real Estate Group, inside Keller Williams. If you're looking to sell, buy, or invest in real estate, we're here to help.